What's up, y'all? It's Brock here from TLK Fishing. Guys, I just got done with my best tournament yet of the year. I was fishing my home lake, Lake McBride. Super excited to bring you guys some content, especially on the tournament side. And yeah, stick along for my third place. First time I've ever podiumed. So super stoked about that. It was a small field, and my bag wasn't super impressive, but I definitely caught one good one that you guys are going to want to see. So thanks for watching. Here we go, we're live.
So do you have, I was going to ask you with your oh, you're going to do the urchin?
Yeah.
I thought about throwing
lines in. Lines out at 130. And Matthews put it like the amount of work that they put into their rigs is.
I'm just waiting for the day my electrical goes out this year.
You'll be alright.
It is 5:30. You can begin the tournament, fellas. Good luck. Good luck, guys.
All right. No touching of the hair and face, and that's it. Now let's do this.
See ya. Alrighty folks, we're on the water. Today we are tackling Lake McBride. We've got the Missouri Valley FCA tournament. Super excited. This tournament's really just a fun time to get out on the water. We're heading south here on McBride. We're hoping to get on a few. Looks like the water's up a decent amount, so I gotta look at that. Make some quick time decisions, but we're gonna have fun with this beautiful morning giving us, and stick with us. Alrighty, folks. Appreciate you guys watching this one. Definitely some more content to come. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see what the next tournament in a week from now provides us. So stick along.